like fellow. I'm concerned with worldly affairs, investments, things like that.
Yes, yes.
I need a woman who's clever, intelligent, sensible. Cinderella doesn't need a modern prince like me. She's someone from the past. I just can't get her away from those cinders. She actually likes the fireplace.
I know, and I always get the blame. It isn't easy being a good stepmother when fairy godmothers get all the credit.
Did you know she turned that wonderful glass slipper into a planter?
A planter?
She has a philodendron growing in it.
That's no way to treat such a beautiful slipper.
What a shame they only came in one size.
What a shame it didn't fit me.
What a shame I wasn't an only child.
Before I was married, I used to think that being lonesome was man's worst fate.
Things are that bad?
I'll show you. Just this morning, I was looking for her and found her in the kitchen, as usual. Cinderella, what are you doing in the cookery?
I like it here. It's humble.
I wish you'd get out of humble and into haughty. How do you think it looks to our subjects having their princess dressed in rags? By choice.
I'm a simple person, but sincere.
Yeah.